Ma'am, is it better now? Hello, ma'am. Are you there?
Yeah.
Ma'am, I also did the homework.
Yeah, let me check, Mohanish. An adult has 200 bones. We have 4 types of joints. Very good. I think only Advika and Mohanish has written the number of bones the adults will have. This is what I actually wanted from all of you. Very good, both of you. Adult has 200 bones. We have 4 types of joints: pivot, gliding, hinge, chocolate joints. Okay. 12 pairs of ribs. Okay. All right. So Deepika, uh, Deepika's mic is still an error. Okay. Anyways, going to the students who have scored less. Aishwarya was sick. Okay. What about you, Mohanish? Why did you score very low? Did you not study properly? Mohanish? Mohanish, am I audible to you? I already spoke to your mother last time also. I'm audible to all of y'all, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, Mohanish, tell me what is your issue?
Ma'am, regarding test,
Yeah.
ma'am, because I'm telling the truth, because I'm just writing the notebook, I researched and I'm copying that and I'm writing in my book. I'm not practicing. That's why. This is
Why
the
you're not
reason.
practicing? Why you're not practicing? Tell me.
Ma'am, because I thought I want to go to directly the test and I want to see the questions and attempt.
It's not a reason at all, Mohanish. Nowadays, you're being very, very careless. You're not you're not studying properly. You know the reason why your parents have put you for tuition, right? It's
Yes,
because
ma'am.
maybe your performance is low in school. That's why they're putting you in tuition. Here also the performance is low. What can we do? Tell me. You should only put an effort because all I can do is give you all homework, teach all of you all, tell what to do. If that is a basic responsibility of you all to follow it and do it. I'll talk to your parents after the meet. And Ashwath, why did you go low? You're a good studying student. You always score more. What happened? Why did you go low this time? Ashwath,
Ma'am, I didn't practice.
why? Without practicing, why are you attending the test? You have time from morning 9 to evening 6. For 2 hours, if you sit and study also, you can easily attempt the mark and you can easily get full 10 mark. When students like Deepika, Sritej are able to score high, why can't you score high?
Okay, ma'am.
I want you to practice because you're a good studying student. Because I want these people who are low to keep coming up. I don't want students like you who score very well to go back to low position. Okay. So next time, please
Okay, ma'am.
practice and then start doing the test because that is why because we are not giving you just only from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. there will be test. I'm not giving you anything like that. No, you have almost more than half a day. Just take 1 hour, study. The next hour, sit and do your test because it's just barely 10 questions I'm giving you. For many others, if you go for maths class and all, how many you'll have so many questions, right? Just 10 questions, 10 minutes you're going to spend. You sit and study for like what, 1 hour? That's more than enough. And also one lesson only I gave. That one lesson also I didn't complete fully. Only half a lesson was there. How long is it going to take to practice? Tell me. So next time, please guys, practice and then attempt your test. This is a basic thing, and don't ever leave the question unattempted. Don't just leave the question like that. If you're leaving the question, please don't do the test itself. What is the use? If you do a mistake only, you can learn. Okay. Anyways, other students, Soumya, Advika, Adrit, and all, you guys have improved from last time. Very good on that. So like just slowly, slowly try to score more. Okay. Yeah. All right. Someone has sent me their homework. Okay, Deepika. A skeletal system works as a support structure of your body. It gives the body its shape, allows movement, makes blood cells, provide protection for organs, and stores minerals. The skeletal system is also known as. Is this a homework that you already did, or you did it right now, Deepika?
Ma'am, I already did it, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am,
All right.
I remember that I sent it to you yesterday.
Where did you send it to me? This number?
Ma'am, through the other number.
What is the other number?
I don't know. My sister knows the number.
Okay, all right. Fine. Anyways, no. I have your other number also, like from your yeah. I think it's you in your profile picture. I think, I don't know.
Yes,
But I
ma'am.
haven't received anything in that. Okay. Anyways, fine. I hope all of you all know what is a silly mistake you guys are doing. For Mohanish, yeah, only Mohanish alone, you will be getting extra homework from now onwards, Mohanish, until you score high in your next test. Okay. So I want you to complete the homework that I'm giving you in class, and along with that, I will text you privately in your WhatsApp for what assignment you will be given. Okay. So I want you to spend more hours in studying from next class onwards. I don't want you to be lethargic. I don't want all this procrastination exam, all this as an excuse next time. Okay, I'll share my screen, guys. Let's go back to our lesson. So please be free to open your mouth and ask me if there's any doubt. Okay. So no matter how many times I have explained, you want me to explain it again also, I'm fine with it. Please ask me if there's any doubt.
Ma'am,
Yes, Advika.
ma'am, I'm getting like for the definition of pivotal joint, I'm getting it it can move our head up, down, and sideways.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Mm. Okay. So going back to the types of joints, we already have seen the 4 basic types of joints. Now let us look at what gliding joint is. Okay. Gliding joint is not given in your book. Okay. But this is just an exam, like extra information. So gliding joint, what is the meaning of glide?
Ma'am, the other name for gliding joint is sliding joint.
Yeah, that is fine. Exactly. So gliding means slide. That's it. Okay. It means sliding. So basically, it's like bones that are joined. It can like only sideways, it can slide. Okay, like this, it can slide. All right. So, what do you say? Basically, your ankle. You can move your ankle left and right? You can slideways. You can side it. So, your ankle. Yeah, basically, that is your gliding joint location. Okay. You can also, when you like stretch your legs, you can
Elbow.
do your elbow though, it won't come. It will come in ball and socket joint because you can move it in all directions, but you can't do that with your leg. You can't do that with your ankle. Okay, when you place your ankle on the bed straight, you can slide it to left and right. That's it. That's all you can do. Okay, so this gliding joint, it is between two joints that meet on a flat surface. Okay, allowing a sliding or a gliding motion. Okay, you have your what do you say? Your wrist. Your wrist is also a gliding joint. Okay, so examples. Then you have your ankle. Okay, so what is a gliding joint? It's a joint built between two bones that meet on a flat surface, allowing sliding or gliding motion. This is the definition for gliding joint. All right, you can see this flat surface over here. So when flat surfaces like this are there, you can easily do. Now, why I'm saying wrist means, now you have your hands, for example. Okay, this is the bone of your hand. Okay, so you can see two flat surfaces over here. Flat surface here, flat surface here. This is the wrist. Right? So this is another gliding joint. Similarly, for your ankle, this is your leg joint. You have your ankle over here. Then you have your toes over here. So this is a flat part, this is a flat point. So this is another gliding joint. All right. So is this clear? Any doubts, guys, for gliding joint?
No, ma'am. No.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt, Advika? You have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, please make note of gliding joint.
Ma'am,
Tell me, Mohanish.
ma'am, can I explain gliding joint to understand?
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, gliding joint.
1 minute, Advika. Let Mohanish finish. Yeah.
Ma'am, gliding joint examples are wrist and ankle. We have gap between wrist, and that is called gliding.
Okay, it is
Yeah.
not gap, Mohanish. It is flat surface.
Flat surface. The joint built between two bones. Between. Yes. The back two bones that meet on a flat surface, allowing sliding or gliding motion. Ma'am, we have hand for wrist, that is called wrist, and we have leg, that which the ankle is with a leg that which leg and foot joints, that is called ankle.
Okay.
So this is wrist means you said it is it is a joint that built between two bones that meet on a
Okay.
flat surface.
Hmm.
Ankle, same example, same same reason,
Yeah.
same sentence. Yes, same sentence. But the this is called wrist and this is called ankle. Leg is called ankle. Upper upper
Yeah,
arm,
yeah.
upper arm,
Yeah.
lower arm.
Hmm. Okay, okay, Mohanish. Okay, please note it, guys. Tell me when you're done. Do it quickly.
Ma'am, actually, yesterday we wrote this, right?
No, we didn't write gliding giant.
Okay, ma'am.
Mom, this is Ritesh. I'm done.
Okay.
Ma'am, this is Soumya and I'm done.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you wait?
Yeah, sure.
Ma'am, I'm done. Aishwarya.
Okay.
Ma'am, I am Ashwat done.
Okay.
Ma'am, this is Adrit. I'm done.
Okay. Mhm.
Ma'am, this is Monish. I'm done.
Okay. Anybody left?
Yes, ma'am.
Do it quickly.
Ma'am, I think Deepika is also left.
Are you left, Deepika? Are you yet to do it? Finish it? Okay, anyways, you tell me when you're done, Advika. Do it quickly. Don't take a lot of time.
Done.
Okay. Deepika, are you done? Are you yet to complete? Your voice is very low, Deepika. Yeah, tell me, are you done? Okay, fine. All right. Coming back. So now comes the interesting part of your lesson. Enough of joints. Let's go to the human skeletal system, which is what you did as homework. So let's bring this over here.
What is the homework? What is the homework?
I didn't give any homework right now. All right. So the human skeletal system. Okay, so the human skeleton, it has how many bones do you think totally?
Ma'am, in an adult one, it has
Ma'am, 206.
206 bones.
Okay, I'm asking you
Ma'am,
when you're born.
skull has 22 bones.
When you're born.
Ma'am, skull has 22 bones.
Okay. When you're born,
Ma'am,
how many bones do you
ma'am,
think you?
300.
Ma'am,
Okay,
206.
so Tej is saying 300.
ma'am,
Okay,
Ma'am,
206 I said, yeah.
Ma'am, an adult one has 206 bones.
I'm asking
While
when you're
a
born.
baby.
When you're born.
Ma'am,
I'm
300.
also thinking 206. Adult.
I'm
206
asking
adult.
when you're born.
Ma'am, when we are born, we have more than 300.
Ma'am, I said 206 for the adult.
Okay, tell me for the when you're born, when you're a baby.
Ma'am, I think it's 330.
300. Ma'am, I think it will be. Ma'am, 300.
Who's saying 300?
I'm Adrit.
Okay.
Ma'am, 300. Ma'am, 300. 312.
Okay. Anybody else?
Ma'am, I think it should be 12 or 24.
Okay, whatever. Okay, so actually, the number of bones a human has as birth is 302. Okay, 302 bones is what we have when we are born first. So the number of bones in the skeleton, they change with the age. So this is for a baby. So once you're an adult, this 302 bones become 206 bones. So can anyone tell me how this 312 bones become 206?
Ma'am, they join each other.
Very good. So they join. So they join with each other. That is when your joints are formed. Have you all noticed when you're a baby, they always tell you to hold the head carefully? Have you all
Ma'am,
noticed?
yes, ma'am. Why? Because if it will twist little bit also, like the baby will cry like anything.
Yeah,
Why?
and
Because it will.
also the head might detach because the head is not very much, because you know what joint is over here? What joint is over here?
Pivotal.
Pivotal joint. Okay.
Pivotal.
Pivotal joint is not strong
Ma'am,
when you're a baby.
ma'am,
Yeah, Mohanish.
ma'am. Actually, I want to share some extra information about skull.
Can we finish what we're doing right now and then come back to that? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So this pivotal joint, yes, Advika.
Ma'am, like what will happen if by mistakenly also like little bit also it will twist.
Yeah, I'm talking about that. Let me finish. So this pivotal joint, you know that joints are very less when you're a baby. That is why there are a lot of number of bones. They're all free bones. Okay, they're all very loose. They're not attached to anything. So the joint over here is very weak. Basically, when you're born, there's no joint itself. It's just the head and just the neck. No joint. Okay. So when they let your head go, they don't hold it properly, it'll start hanging. And sometimes what happens is neck might break. Okay, neck might break means because it's a very sensitive skin, a small skin that you have. So the head weight, your skin might not be able to bear, it might even tear. That is why they always tell you should hold a baby's head very carefully. Only after 2 months or after few weeks of the baby being born only, the joint will start developing in the head region first, so that the head will stay firmly. That's why babies cannot crawl when you're because you're crawling. What happens? Your hand portion goes in this direction, and this portion, this should be like this. So only then you can be like, you can crawl, right? In a dog position, you can crawl like that, right? So for you to crawl, your hands should be facing on the floor, and this thing should be straight. Your arm should be straight. For that, there should be a bend, there should be a joint over here. So that joint, so all these little movements that you see in a baby, it is developed because of the development of the joints. Okay, please listen and understand it carefully. So this is when all the bones fuse together to form different joints in your body. This total framework is known as a skeleton. Okay, so how do we know that this is the shape of a human skeleton? Or how do we know that the shapes of different bones in our body are like this? So we have some idea about the shape and the number of bones in some part of our body by feeling them. You can feel each bones in your body. People who have jawline, you can touch your jaw, you can feel the hardness of the bone. So one way you can know the shape of this is by looking at the what? When you go to a hospital, when any bone is broken, like any bone is broken in your body, what do they take? What do they do first? How do they check that the bone is broken or not?
Ma'am, X-ray.
X-ray.
X-ray. Very good. So how is the shape of the skeleton known? So one way is by feeling them, and another way is by X-ray. All right, so these X-ray images of the human body will give you about how the shape of the bone is. So sometimes when we are like hurt or we have an accident, so doctors, what they do is they use these X-ray images to find out about any injury that might have happened in your bones. Okay, this X-ray will show the shape of the bone in your body. Okay, now you know that the bone is supposed to be like this. So if your bone is somewhat damaged or it's broken anywhere, there'll be a bulge. So by looking at that, they know that there is something broken in your bone, something has injured your body. All right.
Ma'am,
So
can I now at least explain?
wait, Mohanish, wait. Okay. So you can feel the bones in your forearm, in your upper arm, the lower leg, different parts. You can feel different bones in your body. Okay. For even on your fingers, you can see the bulge portion down your hands. You can see the skeleton when you're making a wrist, make a fist in your hand. You can see the bone lines in your hands sometimes. Okay, similarly, you can feel the bone in your ankle and all. When you touch your ankle, you can feel something hard inside. Okay, so you know that have you have any idea how many bones are there in your fingers?
Ma'am, I think 50,
Okay, 50.
40 to 50.
Who said this? Aishwarya, right?
Ma'am, I'm Advika.
Okay, Advika. Anybody else? How many bones make your fingers?
Ma'am, 23.
23. Who is it?
Ma'am, Soumya.
Okay.
Ma'am, what are you talking about?
How many bones are there in the fingers?
Ma'am, 27.
27.
Ma'am, 21.
Who said 27?
Ma'am, Ashwath.
Okay. Who said 21?
Ma'am, 26. Ma'am, Aishwarya, I told 21.
Ma'am, 32.
32. Okay. Anybody else? That's it. I guess everybody has told.
Ma'am, it's not 21. I think it's 27.
Okay. Okay. So you actually have 27. You're right. Okay, so 27 bones is what our hands are made up of. Okay, so 27 is what our hands are made up of. So when you come to your fingers, so this whole hand, so like this, you will have each one, you will have.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you somewhat.
Can you excuse me?
Sorry, Deepika.
Can you?
Yeah, when I'm actually placing my ears in the speaker, I can somewhat hear you. Sorry? Please check your network. It's very, very low, Deepika. Okay. Anyway, so there are 27 bones that make up your hands and 14 bones that make up your fingers. Okay. So, one
Ma'am,
minute.
like, so how many bones are there in the wrist?
Wait. So hand you have 27, you have 14. How much do you think is made up for the wrist? You have 8 bones in your wrist. Okay, so these are the separation of bones that is located in your hand region alone. Then imagine how many tiny bones are there around all parts of your body. Okay, so you can see that you can feel the back of your palm also. Behind your palm, when you're feeling it, you can see that there are so many bones, right? So all these bones that you feel in your hand, they're made up of small tiny bones. Okay, these small tiny bones are known as carpels.
Can you repeat?
Yeah, wait. So basically, carpels, you can see they're the tiny bones that make up your wrist. So the bones that the wrist connects to the forearm and the other bones. Okay, so basically you have something like this. Let me show you. I told you there are 8 bones, right? So there are one. I'm trying to draw it for you all.
Ma'am,
One.
can you show photo?
Yeah, wait. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've drawn 8 bones. So this is your wrist. Okay. These 8 bones, they join to another 5 bones because 5 fingers. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And these join to another 12 bones. Sorry, 15 bones, which is okay. So this is how your whole differentiation of bones is. And sorry, here you have only 2, your little finger. Now totally if you add, you can easily get 27. You have 8 here, you have 5 bones here. What is 8 plus 5?
13.
13. So each bone, 1, 2, each one has 3 means 5 threes are 15. This minus 1 is 15. You will have 14. So 14 plus 13?
27.
27.
27, which makes your hand. Okay, so this is your differentiation. So the blue portion which I have written, this is your wrist. Your wrist is known as the carpel. These 8 bones are called the carpels. Okay. Above the carpels is attached to the metacarpals.
Ma'am,
Yes.
carpal like wrist is also known as carpal, or carpal is made up of small bones.
Carpals only the small bones. That's why I have
Okay.
given the arrow only to the wrist portion. Okay. Then the metacarpals. Then you have the topmost region, that is where your fingers protrude out, which is called the phalanges. It's called the phalanges. Okay. This is the structure of your hand, 27 bones in your hand. Okay. Please make note of it. You need not do the drawing, but if you are quick at it, you guys can do it. Please make note of it. And your homework will be
Ma'am, can I tell the extra information about bones?
yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, basically, skull has 22 bones, and a human has 22 bones in his skull. And
Okay.
the vertebral column, it is it is in our back. That is made up of 33 small bones. That is called vertebral column. And this vertebral column protects the delicate spinal cord, which flows through our nose and our neck and skull.
Okay, Mohanish.
And ma'am, I have so much information. I will tell you in the next class. Thank you.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Ma'am, Deepika asked in the chat that can you show everything from like the whole page?
Everything in the sense.
Mom, once can you show the homework part?
Okay. I hope everything on the board is visible. Please make note of it.
Ma'am, she is telling from skeleton system.
Yeah, I think oh, from here. Wait, I have shown no completely. Everything is on the board.
Ma'am, I'm not understanding the homework, ma'am. What is that? Write about the
Write
skeletal
about the
system
skeletal
G.
system of an earthworm.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, this
Ma'am,
we
can
have
we
to
do
search from
research?
internet.
Ma'am, can we
Yeah, it's
do
from internet.
research?
Yeah, you have to research because this is something I haven't taught you all. But it should be understood from the internet and written by all, not simply just copy paste it.
Ma'am,
Okay.
first we should read what we have written.
Exactly. You should first read what is there in the internet and then understand it and write in your own words.
Ma'am, for homework, is there only one question?
Yeah, it's only one question. Mohanish. Mohanish, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
And there's a separate homework for you. I want you to do it
Yes,
along
ma'am.
with the given homework. Please make note of it. I'll write the question for you.
Ma'am, can we write and send you? Like if we want to.
Yeah, it's your wish. If you want to, you can do it.
Ma'am, can I Oh, can I research this also? Write in detail about the structure
This
of
is
the.
completely about what I have taught today in class. So I want information of what you learned today in class. I don't want extra information.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, this should be completely based on what you have listened to in class. So next time, for those who are scoring low, below 50% of the score, will also have extra homework and extra assignments, and that will be based on because you all know that the homework that I always give is an advanced one. That is not something that I've already taught you in class. It's something you have to research and learn. But the homework for the students who have been scoring low will be based on what is taught in class, because I want you to know if you're attentive in class or not.
Ma'am, I wrote the homework that you gave me just now.
Okay.
I'm done, ma'am.
Okay, if you're done, you can leave, guys.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye.
Ma'am, I
Thank you.
have a doubt in homework.
Tell
Ma'am,
me that.
the last question, ma'am. System of an, ma'am, is it snail or snake?
It's an earthworm, da.
Okay, ma'am.
Skeletal system of an earthworm.
Ma'am, I'm done. Ashwaya. Ma'am, this is Adrit. I'm done.
Okay, you guys can leave.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye. Please make it quick, guys. Who else is left? Deepika and Mohanish. Please note it quick. Deepika, okay. Mohanish, are you done, right? Hello?